Ananya was a bright, young woman from a small village in India. Although she excelled in her studies, she had always felt a lingering insecurity, her inability to speak fluent English. In her village, people spoke primarily in the local language, and English felt like a distant, intimidating world she could barely touch. Yet, she knew that learning English could open doors to new opportunities, help her communicate with people from different backgrounds, and allow her to dream beyond the boundaries of her village. One day, after finishing high school, Ananya decided to move to the city to pursue her college education. She was thrilled and nervous about this new adventure, but she knew it would be a challenge. When she reached her new college, she quickly realized that almost everyone around her was comfortable speaking English. During her first few days in class, she felt lost as the professors delivered lectures in English, and her classmate engaged in conversations she couldn't fully understand. She tried to hide her insecurities, but deep down, she felt embarrassed and even thought about returning home. The idea of sitting in a classroom where she couldn't understand everything was discouraging. But Ananya was resilient and refused to let her dreams slip away. She took a deep breath and said to herself, "I can learn English. It will take time, but I will get there." Ananya started with small steps. She bought an English dictionary and a notebook, and every night, she would look up 5 new English words and write them down. She would repeat these words over and over, making sentences and practicing pronunciation in front of her small mirror. She knew she couldn't become fluent overnight, but she believed that progress, no matter how slow, was still progress. One evening, while sitting in the campus library, she met Meera, a friendly girl from her class who noticed Ananya's stack of English books. Meera offered her a warm smile and asked, "Are you learning English?" Embarrassed, Ananya nodded. But Meera didn't laugh or judge her. Instead, she said, "I remember when I first learned English too. It can feel scary, but trust me, it gets easier. If you want, we can study together." Grateful, Ananya accepted Meera's offer. They began meeting after classes, and Meera helped Ananya with pronunciation, sentence formation, and conversational skills. She encouraged Ananya to practice speaking in English without the fear of making mistakes. "Mistakes are part of learning," Meera reminded her. "The more you practice, the better you'll get." Their study sessions soon became a highlight of Ananya's day. She looked forward to these moments where she could learn without feeling judged. Slowly, she began to understand the lectures in class, and she even started answering questions in English, though her voice was still soft and uncertain. As the months went by, Ananya grew more confident. She started watching English movies with subtitles, listening to English songs, and even reading short English stories. She found that immersing herself in the language helped her pick up new phrases and get used to the rhythm of English conversation. It was still challenging, but she kept reminding herself, "I can learn English." One day, her professor assigned a group presentation. Ananya was terrified, knowing she would have to speak in front of the entire class in English. She wanted to back out, but Meera encouraged her. Ananya, you've come so far. Just believe in yourself. This is your chance to show everyone how hard you've worked. The day of the presentation arrived, and as Ananya stood in front of her classmate, her hands shook. She took a deep breath and remembered all the hours she had spent practicing, all the words she had learned, and all the encouragement she had received. With a steady voice, she began her presentation, speaking slowly and clearly. She made a few mistakes, but she kept going. By the end of her presentation, her classmate applauded her effort, and Ananya felt a surge of pride. After the presentation, some of her classmates approached her, complimenting her bravery and dedication. Ananya realized that all her hard work had finally paid off. She could communicate in English, and while she wasn't perfect, she had come a long way. Over the next few years, Ananya continued to improve her English skills. She took up an internship that required her to write reports in English, joined a public speaking club, and even volunteered to help other students who were struggling with English. Years later, Ananya looked back on her journey with gratitude and pride. She had gone from a shy girl who could barely speak English to a confident woman who could hold conversations, give presentations, and write in English without hesitation. She had overcome her fears, conquered her insecurities, and proved to herself that with dedication and belief, anything was possible. Ananya's story became an inspiration for others in her village and college who struggled with English. She would always tell them, "If I could learn English, so can you." It takes time, patience, and persistence, but the journey is worth it. Never stop believing in yourself. And as she walked through life with her head held high, she knew that her journey wasn't just about learning a language. It was about learning to believe in herself, to overcome fears, and to embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. She had proven, not only to herself but to everyone around her, that she could learn English, and so much more.